Automate your credit memo approvals in SAP S/4HANA with Fiori. Just starting your journey with SAP S/4HANA workflow configuration, let's explore how to set automated approval for credit memo requests using the intuitive SAP Fiori Launchpad. Approval workflows are crucial for internal control and ensuring the right people review and approve important documents like credit memo request. SAP S/4HANA make this process easier than ever with the managed sales document workflow. Here is a simplified look at how you can configure a multi-level approval process like the example provided. Access the Manage Sales Document for Workflow. Manage Sales Document Workflow app on your SAP Fiori Launchpad as a configuration expert. So navigate to Workflow for Credit Memo request and choose to add a new workflow. So Credit Memo, it's weird. Uh, that's this one, Workflow to Credit Memo request. Okay, choose Create. So define preconditions. This is where you set the rules for when a workflow should be triggered. For example, you can set a condition based on the amount of CMR. Um, Example, if net amount is greater than 1,000 euro, trigger a specific approval workflow. Another workflow could be set for net amount greater than 500 euro but less than 1,000 euro. So new workflow demo, okay. Then I'm going to the start condition. So the credit memo type is, okay, I choose for credit memo as credit memo request, okay. And then I can add, for example, the net value is greater, for example, than defined that in the error 500. I continue, add approval step. For each workflow, you define the step involved. A common step is release of credit memo request. So create. So release of credit memo. What is the priority? Medium. Okay. Define recipient. Specify who need to approve the CMR at each step. You can assign approval by role. Example, sales document approval level 1 or level 2. Per role, per user. If you have, for example, sales document approval level N, level 2, you have defined previously in teams and responsibility who are behind this level 1 or level 2. Okay, but I can also change, for example, for user, and I define, for example, one or several user. You cannot approve yourself your own credit memo request. It means if, for example, you put, I define myself as an approver and I create myself a CMA, I won't be able to approve it. So in this case, I select Alt F3. Okay. Okay. One of the recipient are all the people are concerned by this approval. Next point, implement exception handling, optional but recommended. Define what happens if an approval is rejected. For instance, you can set up a rework ready memo request action that restarts the workflow. So going on, only start the request if all of the following preconditions are made. Approval request reason, customer, order reason, and you can rework requested. Here you define, yeah, rework of credit memo request. Okay. And then rolled, you defined again per roles, all the people. And I click on create. Okay. Everything sounds, and the last is right now, I save. And I don't forget to activate my workflow. Okay, my new workflow is right now available. So it's active. Okay. So why is this so powerful for beginner? The Fiori interface provides a user-friendly way to set up these rules without needing complex coding knowledge for basic scenario. This empowers business process experts to directly configure approval processes. Ready to explore the managed document workflow? Help and streamline your credit request approval. Share your experience. Any question you have in the comment below of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.